found faith, found how fast she could take it away, found true love.
Just never think what's in your one.
Thank you.
Don't worry about it.
I'm Savannah.
John.
Nice to meet you, John. 2 weeks together. That's all it took. 2 weeks for me to fall for you.
Is this the end of the moment?
Promise me that we'll be together again.
Maybe you didn't hear me before. You and me were for always. I'm not gonna accept anything less.